welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications to be reminded when I post a new video. But today I'm actually going to get a reaction from my niece of one of my videos. I know I did a reaction of my 8-year-old nephew reacting to my nose piercing, but my niece, love her freaking support here. She doesn't watch any of my videos, so it's gonna be should be a good reaction since she hasn't seen any of them or anything like that. So I'm gonna have her react to my unboxing because I definitely did some weird faces and things like that. So yeah, definitely gonna have her react to. So I'm gonna have her sit here. I have a laptop facing and right here in front of her, so she's probably gonna be looking down watching, and we're gonna get her reaction. So you guys will see her in the next clip. Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because last Friday, Jeffree Star launched his mystery box. Your girl here, I was trying to get this but I ran out of luck there, which is okay, because I got the premium. So I have a face this way for a reason. Actually, I'll turn it around. I'll just have it like that. But here we go. Just got it in today, and I'm super excited. Has not been open, so if you guys can see, it's completely sealed. It's still there. I have not opened it because I wanted to do this together and to look at the products that are in it and everything. So I have my not much, but you know what I mean. I've been waiting for this since I've ordered it, and I'm just beyond happy that it's finally here. So now, let's go ahead and open it. Share with you guys. I had a little panic attack, if you would say. Not a panic attack, but I was about to be very upset because here's a little funny story. Show me the story. You're so stupid. What? Oh my gosh, such a good baby. Anyway, little story time. I got a notification that this was here, and and I've been waiting for it all day since yesterday because I was getting the updates and stuff. And got it. Okay. And so I got the notification that it was here, but I didn't see our mailman. So I was like, oh, I guess I've been freaking out a little bit before I even checked the mailbox. But I started freaking out a little bit because I was like, oh my god, I just spent like $50-something on this box, and I don't want it to be going to the wrong, address. And so I started kind of freaking out. It looked like the mailman had just skipped our house, but it looked like he was just leaving from our house, and I didn't even really see it. So yeah, until I checked the mailbox, I was like, oh my god, it's here! Okay, so I just finished, oh my god, this is like the best feeling right now. So I already uncut it, opened it up, and it has green wrapping. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. You guys have no idea right now. You're such a dork. My heart. Oh ammunition that I got in the box, and this is the shade Jeffrey's Girl. So you guys can see that. Let's just kind of open her up and take a look at it if I can get it. Okay, here we go. Oh my word. I can't right now. This makes me so freaking happy. I love makeup so freaking much, but to be able to get Jeffree Star stuff like that. And this is how it looks. A little pink. Let me just do a quick little swatch. And we're gonna pop it back into its piece here. But that's how it looks. Like a hot pink lipstick. But then, up next we have, I just love this packaging so like I don't even know how else to explain. But so the first one was pink and it has like a little bullet. The ammunition, ammunition. I was gonna say ammo. Now we have the velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Can't Relate. Ooh, white on white, so it might not look like it. There you go, Can't Relate. Let's go ahead and pop this one out too, so we can definitely look at it. This packaging has like a little hologram into it. I don't think you can see it. Like it has. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness. Guys. Keep in mind these are all like real live reactions. I have no words. Like, look at this. Okay, so it has sparkles all over. I don't think you can see that. I'm trying my best. But it literally has sparkles all over. Oh my gosh. I'm living for this. Let's do a little. I'm like blown away. So there's Can't Relate. I love it.
There's some parts too.
And this right here, I want to save for last, but this is another velour liquid lipstick. But this is a lipstick that is never going to be made again.
Never?
This is the shade question mark. But I'm gonna save this for last.
She hates me so much. I'm so mean to
Oh
her.
my god.
It's okay, it's clear.
She was mean to me for
The
years.
liquid frost.
And continuing.
So it's okay for me to be mean to her.
Alright, and this is in the shade Ice Queen. Oh, upside down, sorry. Ice Queen. Let's go ahead and pop her out and see how she looks. What is happening right now?
Is this where you're trying to figure out the bottle?
Oh my god, okay. Oh, we have to. Okay, so we're gonna put that down.
Candidly, that's my most viewed video.
No, I believe it.
Hold on.
You're opening Jeffree Star makeup that some people can't even get. So, it's understandable. Wait, what was that? What did you just do? What did you just do?
I don't know why that happened. Okay, fix the problem. I don't know why. I think that's because of my dog. But, like I said, look at the very, very top. I just fixed it.
Oh my god.
This
Oh, my phone fell.
out. This is the whole thing off. But, oh my god. Oh, so then, watch. Highlight. I am living for this. I love it. But now I'm gonna
You're so aggressive. I love it. Like, you're so aggressive.
It's excitement, okay?
Oh yeah, I did. Oh no, I did it. Okay. She's back. Precious kitty. Loving it. Okay. Now let's go back to this. The shade question mark. When I heard about this, I was like, I definitely want to make sure I get it. I found this. Anyways, it's clear because on the shade on the box looks a little bit different than the shade inside, but we're still gonna swatch it. I think it's so gorgeous. Oh my lord. Let's swatch it. Hello. I love it. Question is, what will I wear it with?
You could wear that color with anything. The mystery one.
Yeah.
You could wear it with basically anything.
This is crazy. I love this stuff. This is so cool. I know that you said that you're going to definitely be launching 2 more boxes before the end of this year. So I'm hoping I can get the big box at least out of the box too. But yeah, so the box itself was $45. So because of taxes and the shipping and everything, it came out to be like $50-something. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I know it was 50-something. But
Nope.
guys, to have freaking this plus this for $45, not mad at all, because this is a $95 value, and I paid 50-something. Like, if you were to go, I'm pretty sure if you would have went into a store to go get this, like, okay, one of the liquid
Okay, and I'm actually back now. So, what did you think of my unboxing video?
You were really dorky.
I try. Just kidding, I don't. Just
And
that?
like you just took so long to open the box and explain everything. I was like, oh my gosh, this girl, she's taking forever.
My dog, I have to hold this, so if you see the camera shaking, he's like in front of basically like my ring light and tripod, and he licked her, and that's why she's doing that. Can you move?
Can you go away?
He's gonna jump back here and frame, watch. He'll come over here. Oh, look, I already seen his nose.
No, I don't want you.
Over here, come on. And there he is. This is my lovely dog, Rocky. He's a big baby, loves to be with everybody. But, so, just dorky, and it took forever to open the box.
And you took forever to explain everything.
I was really not even focused on the video. I was more really excited to like really grasp everything.
You can tell. You can
Like,
really tell.
I was excited about it. So.
And then the fact that like you were just all like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Had to. I know you guys are probably gonna hear me talking in the background, but that's just because I was talking to her and everything, a little bit here and there, and so yeah. But I definitely do hope you guys enjoyed the reaction of my lovely 15-year-old niece here. But the way our relationship is, like, it's not like she's not even my niece, it's more like she's a little sister, because we're only 7 years apart, and I took care of her a lot anyways, so, but it's like I said, she's like more of a little sister to me than my niece, even though I know she's my niece. So we have a very unique and special relationship, and she knows that too. That's why she's laughing. But yeah, so if you definitely enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And let me know if you guys definitely enjoyed it and want to see her in more videos. I didn't even ask this about my nephew, but if you guys enjoyed the video I did with him, I will try to do more with him if you guys definitely did enjoy those. But yeah, other than that, remember, stay beautiful, be bold, and be confident. Bye, beauty babes.